Okay, we're still trying to solve for the variable. We're needing to isolate the variable. These problems are different from previous problems because previously the fraction was added to or subtracted from the variable. Variable minus a fraction. Okay, but now the variable and the fraction are tied by multiplication, so it's going to be a little bit different. So here's our problem. We're just going to divide by the coefficient of the variable. And we're going to do that on both sides of the equal sign. This is how I do it. Okay, and it looks a little funny, but it's not that challenging. Okay, because here, by dividing by 5/8, these are going to factor away and leave us with just y. Now on this side, you're going to remember that -2 divided by 5/8 can look like this. And that means we can keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep this fraction, multiply, and we're going to flip the second one. And that's going to give us our -16/5. So this side is just going to be y as these factor out. And here we're just multiplying and keeping the sign. And this is already simplified. And that's the same kind of thing that we're going to do in this example, which is very similar, except this time we've got a negative fraction, but that's okay. We're going to divide on both sides of the equal sign. So our original problem was 6 equals -3/2 v. We're going to divide by -3/2 on both sides of the equal sign. Here they're going to factor away and leave us with just v. Here you're thinking about that like this. 6 divided by -3/2 is 6 times -2/3. So that's what we have going on here. And then you're just multiplying across the top and across the bottom, and then simplify when necessary, and watch your signs.